We're over here in Lake Mary today working on this top of this pool enclosure. Got hit by hail damage, and we're going to be putting in some super screen today. We're getting ready to take all the screen out and pull all the spline and everything, and then cut all the roof panels so we can get this thing you know, all new roof panels in there. So here's what we're working on today. Already took out a majority of the roof sections. So you can see here how shiny the screen looks. That's when you know it's shot. Basically, anything could tear through it. See? Shot. It's got a whole bunch of holes in it from the hail all through it. So we're fixing that today. Oh yeah. Alright, so now we got all the roof removed and we have all of our panels cut over here, and we're getting ready to put them in, cutting all our spline so we can get this thing done. So we got about half of the panels pushed out. It's looking real nice. On the last run, about to finish up that right side over there. Alright, so we're done with the roof here. Everything's nice and tight, nice and tight. Everything's split off, all individually put in panels, one piece at a time. We redid these two lookouts here, the riser panels here, 1, 2, and all new screen on the roof. Got that super screen in there. It's a little bit darker, the screen's a little bit darker, but definitely super strong. It's perfect for the golf course area here. It's right on the golf course where the balls kind of tend to cut through the trees here. They'll just bounce right off. Right off the panels and into the gutter. But yep, that's it. That's the final product here on the roof, and we're about to wrap up and get out of here.